Hi, this is Kirsten Larson. I'm the author of Woodwire Wings, Emma Lillian Todd Invents an Airplane. And I'm here today with another nonfiction or STEM book review. Today I am looking at Harlem Grown. This is how one big idea transformed a neighborhood. It's written by Tony Hillery, who's it's actually not a biography, it's an autobiography about his project. And it's illustrated by Jessie Hartland, whose work I absolutely love. So a lot of times people ask, can you write a biography about a figure who's not well known that resonates with kids? And the answer is an astounding yes with Harlem Grown. So I had never heard of Tony Hillery, but he was basically a man with an idea who saw an empty lot in Harlem. And that's where his whole gardening project started. I love this spread. It says, Nevaeh called it the haunted garden. It was cluttered with wrecked couches, old TVs, broken bottles, and empty cans. That's the lot where it all started. And I think one reason that this really resonates, this particular book resonates with readers, is Tony has no idea what he's doing. He's not a master gardener, but he sees this space, he sees this problem, he sees this lot across from an elementary school, and he sees an opportunity. So he had this idea, and everybody in the neighborhood helped make it happen, including those kids from that elementary school. And they learned together. They didn't have success the first time. The first round, they planted their vegetables. It didn't work out. But Mr. Tony said, we'll try again. We'll plant something different. And so they don't give up. And they all work together, and they have this success in their beautiful garden. Right? So I think this idea of perseverance, this idea of kind of having a growth mindset and learning together is something that can really resonate with kids, and also having this big idea and then needing help to get it done. So I highly recommend Harlem Grown by Tony Hillery. He has an afterword where he tells a little bit more about the project, and it's beautifully illustrated by Jessie Hartland.